Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily check the update notification setting on your CANON TS8351a. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings. Now in those settings, go to device settings, and here scroll all the way down to firmware update. Now here go to update notification setting, and here you guys can accept that you want to check the server for firmware updates and receive notifications about it. So make sure that it's enabled so you guys are running the latest version of your firmware. And here, as you guys can see, you can also test the server connection, but I do know I have one, so that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.